In this video, I explain the fundamentals of clinical psychology. You will learn what clinical psychology is and how it helps us to understand and treat mental illnesses. Clinical psychology is a field of psychology that deals with the diagnosis and treatment of mental disorders. Psychologists in this field help people who suffer from psychological conditions. They use various methods to identify the causes of mental issues. The goal is to help those affected improve their lives. A clinical psychologist examines how mental disorders affect a person's behavior and life. For this purpose, they conduct interviews and tests to determine what is causing the problems. Developing treatment plans is also part of their tasks. In many cases, they use psychotherapeutic methods to help the patient. Mental illnesses are disorders that impair a person's thinking, feeling, or behavior. The most common illnesses include depression, anxiety disorders, and schizophrenia. These conditions can significantly affect daily life. Clinical psychologists work to treat these disorders and improve quality of life. The diagnosis of a mental disorder is made through interviews and tests conducted by the psychologist. The psychologist pays attention to the symptoms and history of the patient. Questionnaires or standardized tests are also often used. An accurate diagnosis is important for finding the right treatment. There are various treatment methods in clinical psychology, depending on the disorder. A common method is psychotherapy, in which the patient talks to a psychologist to solve their problems. Behavioral therapy and cognitive therapy are also widely used. In some cases, medications are additionally prescribed. Psychotherapy is one of the most important methods for treating mental disorders. It can take the form of individual or group sessions. The goal is to change the thoughts and behavior of the patient. The patient learns to deal better with their problems and manage their emotions. Behavioral therapy is a specific form of psychotherapy that changes the patient's behavior. The psychologist helps the patient recognize and change unhealthy habits. Often, specific tasks or exercises are performed. This method is frequently used for anxiety disorders and phobias. Diagnostics in clinical psychology are crucial for successful treatment. Through a precise diagnosis, the psychologist can choose the best therapeutic approach. A false diagnosis could delay treatment or make it less effective. Therefore, a thorough examination of the patient is very important. Clinical psychology also deals with the prevention of mental illnesses. This includes early attention to signs of disorders. Preventive measures can help prevent the onset of mental conditions. Education and stress management are also key elements of prevention.